Doing a review here. This is the juice standard. I got it at the local hotel there at the Cosmopolitan, and I'm going to do a review of it right now. This is the Energized cucumber, carrot, apple, beet, lemon. If you actually look at it, the cool thing about this is it's cold pressed, and it actually is not pasteurized. So that was actually kind of neat. Let's open this up. Don't feel. I think I opened this one. Pause it. Okay. So taste-wise, it's actually really refreshing. You get more of the cucumber in it, carrot, the apple. The beet is you don't taste the lemoniness so much. It's just really more cucumber in the carrot. Not bad. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.